Welcome to the ultimate roadmap for mastering cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is one of the most crucial skills in today's digital world. With cyber threats constantly evolving, the demand for cybersecurity professionals has never been higher. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of learning cybersecurity, from the basics all the way to advanced concepts. We'll cover the essential skills, recommend the best resources, provide career insights, and show you how to overcome common challenges. Let's dive in. In the first phase, we'll lay the foundation by exploring the basics of cybersecurity. You'll learn about the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. You'll also dive into networking fundamentals, covering TCP/IP, DNS VPNs, and firewalls. To kick things off, check out the book Cybersecurity Essentials by Charles J. Brooks. Start with Chapter 1 for an overview of cybersecurity, and then read Chapter 3 to get familiar with network security concepts. For an online course, we recommend Cybersecurity Essentials by Cisco Networking Academy, available on Coursera. Begin with Modules 1 to 4 to grasp the fundamentals. For practice, set up a basic home network and experiment with configuring a firewall. You can also take online quizzes to solidify your understanding. Now, let's dive deeper into networking and system security. In this phase, you'll learn about routing, switching, DNS, and subnets. You'll also get hands-on experience securing both Linux and Windows systems. We recommend the book CompTIA Network plus Guide to Networks by Jill West. Focus on Chapter 5, which covers network security, and Chapter 7 for configuring routers and switches. For an online course, take Introduction to Networking by Cisco, available on Coursera. Modules 1 to 5 are a great place to start. Also, listen to the CyberWire podcast, specifically Episode 45, Networking and the Future of Security. For practice, set up a virtual machine with Kali Linux for security testing. You can also analyze network traffic with Wireshark. In the next phase, you'll get hands-on with essential cybersecurity tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and Burp Suite. We'll also introduce you to ethical hacking and penetration testing. Start by reading the Web Application Hacker's Handbook by Dafiat Stuttard. Focus on Chapters 1 to 4 to understand web application security. Take the Penetration Testing and Ethical Hacking course by EC Council, available online. Focus on Modules 1 to 5 to get a solid grasp of penetration testing. Don't forget to tune into Darknet Diaries Episode 10, The Hacker's Journey, for insights into real-world hacking stories. For practice, use tools like Kali Linux and try ethical hacking labs such as Hack the Box and Try Hack Me. Test your skills by performing penetration tests on your own systems. In this phase, we'll cover advanced topics like network defense, incident response, digital forensics, cloud security, and encryption algorithms. You'll also learn about risk management and secure software development practices. We recommend reading The Art of Memory Forensics by Michael Hale Lai, focusing on Chapters 2 to 4 for memory forensics insights. For a deeper dive, take Advanced Cybersecurity for Managers by the University of California on Coursera. Modules 1 to 5 cover advanced strategies in security, risk management, and incident response. Listen to Security Now podcast, especially episode 800, which discusses advanced security practices. For hands-on practice, set up an incident response plan for a simulated cyber attack. Participate in digital forensics challenges to identify and trace malware. As you progress, it's important to apply what you've learned through real-world projects. Build a personal website or blog and implement strong cybersecurity measures like SSL certificates and secure logins. Document your penetration tests and vulnerability assessments in a GitHub repository to showcase your skills. Participate in Capture the Flag CTF challenges to sharpen your abilities and create a portfolio of your work. Cybersecurity is a fast-evolving field. To stay updated, subscribe to blogs like Krebs on Security, Dark Reading, and The Hacker News. Engage with communities on Reddit's Cybersecurity and Stack Exchange to share insights and learn from others. Certifications like CompTIA Security, plus Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, are essential to validate your skills and open up more job opportunities. These certifications help you stand out in the job market and demonstrate your expertise. That's the roadmap for mastering cybersecurity. By following this path, you'll acquire the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to thrive in this critical field. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is high, and with the right skills and certifications, you'll be ready to seize exciting career opportunities.